Hey guys, it's Erin here, and in about an hour or so I'm leaving to go to the airport for a month-long trip to Fiji, Samoa, and New Zealand. And I'm kind of freaking out because I'm not done packing yet, but I wanted to show you everything that I'll be bringing with me on this month-long trip. And it's kind of tricky because Fiji and Samoa, I guess, are easy to pack for, but New Zealand has two different climates, and I'm going to both the North and the South Island, so I have to bring some cold weather attire as well. So I'm going to show you everything that I'll be packing, starting with my suitcase.
So first, I'll start off with swimsuits because that's what I'm going to be wearing the most anyway on my travels. I'm packing a few one-piece suits that are perfect for surfing, as well as a few simple bikinis for swimming around and tanning on the beach. And then I put all of my swimsuits in a splash-proof ALOHA Collection bag, and they are good to go. For pants, I'm bringing a pair of simple boyfriend jeans for potentially chilly weather on the South Island of New Zealand. I'm also bringing a pair of denim shorts because they're so versatile, as well as my favorite little romper that I can wear over a bikini top or a shirt. These corduroy pants are also perfect for chillier weather, and they're a great way to look cute but be warm at the same time. And then I also have some hiking pants, as well as some comfortable white pants to wear around the beach, and they work for both warm and colder weather. I roll everything up and put them into a packing cube to keep organized and to maximize the space in my suitcase. I'm also bringing a simple white linen dress that is perfect to wear on the beach, but I can also wear in New Zealand with a long sleeve top underneath. This two-piece set is breezy and comfortable, and I plan on wearing this at the resorts I'm staying at in Fiji and Samoa. Next, I have this simple black silk mini dress for dressier occasions like a nice dinner. A sarong is a must because it's the perfect low-maintenance cover-up when at the beach. I'm also bringing a floral romper, specifically because I want to take photos with blue pins in New Zealand. And then another two-piece set that is chill resort wear and also doubles up as a nice dinner outfit. For my tops, I'm keeping it simple with a few long sleeve t-shirts, and I'm primarily packing these to wear in New Zealand to layer up in case it gets cold. And then I just roll everything up again so that it all fits nicely into a packing cube. Next, I'm bringing a couple bras, underwear, and socks, and they get their own separate mini packing cube. I'm also bringing an active outfit that's perfect for hiking and running, so basically a sports bra, a pair of matching workout shorts, and a crop top, and they all get their own miniature packing cube as well. I'll also be bringing a warm fleece flannel and a puffer jacket for colder weather in New Zealand. For shoes, I'm keeping it really simple with one pair of hiking boots with hiking socks for New Zealand, and then one pair of sandals that I plan on wearing for every other occasion. Next, I'm bringing a couple bags. One is a purse to keep my camera, phone, and wallet in, and I'm also bringing a splash-proof beach bag to pack all of my adventure essentials if I go on an outing somewhere. And then I'm also bringing a hydro flask so that I don't have to use plastic bottles while traveling and I can stay hydrated. I'll also be bringing a pair of fins, a snorkel mask, fins for my surfboard, and 4 bars of tropical surf wax. Of course, I need sunscreen to keep protected from the sun, so I'll be packing aloe vera gel, mineral spray sunscreen, sunscreen lotion, mineral face sunscreen, and a couple packs of leave-in hair conditioner to keep my hair from drying out. And I put all of these products in this Sunbum recycled towel pouch. For toiletries, I'm bringing my makeup bag, shaving razors, shampoo and conditioner bars, my travel sponge, shower cleansing wipes, insect bite relief, leave-in conditioner, a comb, nail polish remover pad, nail clippers, face cleanser, face lotion, perfume roller ball, under eye patches, a few face masks, toothpaste, and insect repellent. And these all go into various pouches to stay organized and to contain any leakage that may happen on the plane. Okay, next is camera gear. I'm bringing my vlog camera, mini tripod, microphone, GoPro floaty housing, a mouth mount, extender pole, ND filters, my hard drive, laptop, and my drone. And these all go inside my think tank camera bag, which I'll be carrying onto the plane. In another camera bag, I'm bringing my water housing for my Canon DSLR, as well as a dome port for my GoPro to get split over under shots. My suitcase is from Dakine, and I figured out a system for packing everything in it. In the main compartment, I put my big packing cubes with all of my clothes. The middle compartment is just the perfect size to pack my camera bag with my water housing inside. And then the small compartment is great for accessories and toiletry items.
Now I'm going to show you what is in my carry-on bag. So I have two carry-on bags. This one is for my airplane essentials, and this one is with all of my camera gear and my laptop. In here I have my journal for 2020. I have my wallet with my credit card, some cash, my ID. I've got some pistachio snacks. In this little pouch, I have some of my airplane beauty essentials. I have deodorant, lotion, eye drops, and chapstick. I'm also bringing an eye mask and some comfy socks because my feet get really cold if I'm just barefoot. In this pouch, I'm bringing my iPhone charger. And my mom recently got this for me from a Japanese shrine to protect me on my travels. And of course, I'm bringing a neck pillow, and it's really convenient because it just clips onto my bag right here. And then in this back pocket, this is where I keep my passport. And I also like to bring an international driving permit just in case, but I don't think I'm going to be needing that. And then I will be putting my phone in there, as well as my makeup bag. Inside are just some of my essentials for travel. I have my hydro flask. I don't think this is going to fit in my bag with everything else in there, so I'll probably just have to carry that, but it's all good. Yeah, that is everything that's gonna go inside of this bag, as well as my vlog camera, and I'm just gonna put that in here. My suitcase is all packed and ready to go, and here is my other carry-on bag, and this one is probably my most important and valuable bag because it has all of my camera equipment in here as well as my laptop. So this is actually going to be my very first trip with this bag, so I'm very excited to see how it holds up in travel situations. And then hanging over there on my doorknob, I have my airplane outfit. So really the only thing I have left to do is to pack my surfboard, so let's go downstairs and work on that. Alright, just packed up the surfboards. It actually wasn't too much of a hassle because instead of bringing 3 boards, I'm only bringing 2. So there actually ended up having a lot of space to work with, which was really nice. Now the last thing I need to do is to take care of my plants since I am going to be gone for about a month. So I need to water my plants and then set them up by the windowsill so that they get tons of sunlight while I'm away. Okay, I just moved my plants so that they're all underneath this window so that even though I'm not here to take care of them, hopefully they will do okay. I have a lot of plants, so we'll see how it goes. They don't love when I travel, as you can see. They're like kind of droopy, some yellow leaves happening. Anyway, it is time for me to head on over to the airport, so I'm gonna go change into my airport clothes and get my stuff in the car and get ready to go. Alright guys, next time I see you, it will be from Fiji. Bye!